Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to disable location on Safari. First of all, you can open the general home settings on your iPhone. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down and here you will find the option privacy and security. Tap on it and now you can tap on location services and here you will find Safari website. Now you can tap on Safari websites and here you can just simply select never to allow location access, and this is the way you can disable Safari website locations if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.